How to view followers on Twitch. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can view followers on Twitch. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your preferred browser and then search for twitch.tv and make sure that you're logged in with your Twitch account. Once you're logged in, now head towards the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From this menu bar, you have to click on Creator Dashboard. Now under your dashboard, navigate towards the top left and click on three-line icon. Now from this navigation menu, you have to expand the community option, click on it, and under community there is followers list, click on it. And under this page you will find all of the account that follows you or all of your followers right here. And that's how you can find or you can see your followers on Twitch. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.